Well, it is 11 o'clock here, so it says 4 back home, and we're getting ready to take a picture in our shades of blue. Okay, so we had breakfast at the dining hall. That was the clip that you saw of me and my cousin sitting there waiting for breakfast. 2 out of 10, but you know, it's okay. It's okay because there's other options. But yep, we're getting ready to be in Greece today in a couple hours. So we're taking a big photo shoot or a picture with the group. And y'all, I gotta show y'all this view. Look. We're at the back of the boat. Isn't it pretty? We have made it to Greece. Got a lot of steps to walk up. I'm so excited though. Let's get into it. Saying goodbye to our boat. Oh, it's windy. Let me just tell y'all, if y'all come to Greece, it's a lot of walking. It's a lot of hills. I'm tired, but it's so cute. But I'm out of breath. But I made it to the top. Getting ready to go on a tour. I don't know what we're gonna see, but I'll show you.
There he is.
There you go.
No, that ain't him.
That ain't him. You ain't?
Stop doing all night, being on the freeway. I just been in my Time to leave Santorini. I never have to come back, but it was a nice little adventure. How did you feel about Santorini?
I ain't lie, it was hot. It was cool though.
I enjoyed it.
Enjoyed it? It's hot. It was hot. I'm ready to get on this cab and get out of here. It is day 4 and we are now in Turkey. Yesterday you saw we were in Greece. We are in Turkey currently. I am putting sunscreen on, making sure I have sleeves so I don't have no issues in another country and won't be able to go in certain places because of having no sleeves. So I'm getting ready to leave out of the room. I had a little breakfast, just something to hold me over with some tea, and I'm getting ready to go to the deck so I can show y'all what the land of Turkey looks like, and then we'll be getting actually on the land to tour Turkey in about an hour. Jewelry store trying wine.
And so these are the
Local wines. Oh, let's do rose.
Yeah, rose. Well, I try white. You do rose.
Yeah.
White.
Yeah, white. Me, rose, good.
Turkish wine. Turkey wine.
That was good though.
It does look good. Look at the selection.
You're amazing.
See what it's hitting on. No. We got 300 feet into Turkey and everybody got something. They are so aggressive with you purchasing something. They have some really great deals, so I got really great deals. See? No, thank you. So we're gonna go into this castle, finally get away from the shops, hopefully get something to eat, and call it a day. Show them the water. Show them the water.
Oh.
The water.
Water came in a square.
Plastic little cup. To the castle we go. To the castle. Okay, here is the castle. Why are you trying to put us in jail?
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you.
Okay, we are back from Turkey on the ship. I told you how that went, but now it's 7:30 and they have free ring cleaning. So I'm gonna get free ring cleaning now at this jewelry store. Getting ready to see a show. Gold art duo. Let's see what's popping.
Bienvenidos al Royal Theater. Antes de empezar el show, algunos anuncios importantes.
This is the old people's side, the solarium of the ship. Old people's side. It is so, it's all decked off. And look at this. Private pool, private eating area, private everything. It's lit down here. No kids allowed in this area. Got a little bar situation. It smells so fresh and carefree. Ooh, look. It's closed though, but it's so cute and it goes down. Well, this is so fire. I wish I could give y'all more light, but it's closed, so I don't think I'm even supposed to be in here. Huh? Yeah. Little hot tub situation too. Can sit and chill in the water over here. Oh, 2 more hot tubs over there. Can sit and watch the front of the boat over there. Oh, this is fire. Fire. I would actually come back and sit in this. Why did my brother think this was a real person?
So what you do about taking your foot?
It does look kind of real though, for real. Why? Why you overlooking this water? Got a little smile on your face. What if it did turn some scary movie type junk? Let me go on.